Hey everyone, today I'm going to have unboxing from my order from reefs4less.com. I know some people they're looking to get some fish online, so I thought it's gonna be helpful to you guys. So let's start it. The packaging is decent, is good so far. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks good. So far everything is fine. For the temperature, actually today is like 54 degree. I was hoping they wouldn't use this, but still they usually put it on the package. The packaging is good. Let's see the result. Yes, Australian Harlequin task. Looks fine, happy. I think I don't see anything wrong with the fish. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tip because I had a few orders recently. From the date of the video you can see which date this video is recording, so you can see when you're watching it. So today, by today date, I had ordered from reefbeauty.com. So the shipping is good, the packaging is good, the pricing I would say it's in the middle range. They are not cheap, they are not expensive, and the thing is the option on the online store is not a lot. They don't have a lot of options, but it's a rigid, it's good store. You can shop with peace of mind. And I had some deals with the saltwater fish depot in California. The pricing is really good. The price is good. The options for the fish, choosing the fish is a lot. They have a lot of fishes you can choose. And the shipping is good. Another I can put my finger is Harry's Life Reef. I had an order from them, and they ship it a little bit late, but they did ship it to me. I still didn't unpackage the package, which is here. I will let you know later when in my another video. Thank you.